Oh my God, do you hear my chicken? She's laying an egg right now. It's a zoo around here. So I made this really amazing pasta the other night. I posted about it on Instagram, and the amount of you guys asking me how I made it. The problem is I never remember what I do. I will just create these things and then I completely forget about it. Luckily, a girlfriend of mine messaged me and it was fresh on my mind, and she was like, I need to make that. And I wrote it out, and I'm so glad that I did. I'm gonna make it for you right now. You can thank my friend. Cheers, let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a little onion, garlic, heavy cream, chicken broth, ground beef, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and a little flour because you're gonna wanna thicken up. I'll show you. I already have the pasta boiling. I have the red wine flowing. Onions, garlic. So we do this so it thickens it up. So we're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth, add some cream. A little Worcestershire sauce. Oh, we almost out, y'all. Like 10 minutes. Add a little bit more chicken broth, and then we're gonna throw in the pasta. A little garlic powder. Is it good? I think it's ready to serve. Let's do it. You ready for a plate?
So good.
Okay, calm down. This is so good. I'm so glad I wrote it down so I could share it with you all this time. This is a good one. Y'all are gonna love it. That's it, that's a wrap. Get out now. Know what they do on cribs?